In this quick and simple video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the password on your itel button phone, itel 2160. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, now let me assume the password on your itel button phone has been compromised and you feel like you want to change it. And how do you change it? So now to change the password on your itel button phone, tap here and go on the menu and on the options here, look for settings. You can see here settings, tap on the settings, and on settings here scroll down until you see security settings. You can see right now, tap on it. If you tap on it, then scroll down to the last option. You can see here phone security, tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see option 2, change password. Select it and tap on change password. Then on this change password, you can see input old password. So come here and put the password that you have been using before, like my own password. I'll come and put my own password 1993. Then tap on OK, and you will see here input new password. So you can come here and put a new password. Then I can just put, like for instance, I can put 1234 as a new password for instance, and tap on OK, and you can see here confirm new password. I can as well come here and enter 1234 to confirm the password and come and tap OK. You can see done, and I have changed the password on my itel button phone. Now if I come here for instance and lock my phone, and to unlock it, I just come here and tap here and enter 1234, my new password, and tap OK. You can see my itel phone will be unlocked. So guys, that's simple, and that's how you can actually change the password on your itel button phone. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video, and bye.